Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, eggs galore recipes done in 60 minutes start to finish. Eggs galore. Ingredients: eggs, butter, salt, pepper, bread slice, fresh cilantro. Preparation: egg to be poached. Bring water to a boil. With a whip or spoon, turn quickly in the water to make a whirlpool effect. Break one egg in the boiling water and help the white to cover the yolk. After 2 minutes, the egg should be ready. Put on a plate, salt, pepper, and enjoy. Half-boiled egg in its shell. Bring water to a boil. Insert the egg for 4½ minutes. Serve in an egg cup. Cut the top of the egg with a knife. Add salt, pepper, toast bread, and slice it in small sticks and dip to eat. Hard-boil eggs. Bring water to a boil, and insert the egg for 11 minutes. Remove. Dip them in cold water to stop the cooking. Peel and cut in slices. Scramble egg. Crack the egg, salt, pepper, beat it. In a pan, add a generous slice of butter. Stove on low heat. Pour the beaten egg in the pan and scramble with a wood spoon at low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Eggs omelet. Crack the eggs, salt, pepper, and beat the eggs in a bowl. In a pan, add a generous slice of butter. Stove on low heat. Pour the beaten egg in the pan and let cook slowly to the desired consistency. Egg sunny side up. Crack the egg in a bowl. In a pan, add a generous slice of butter. Stove on low heat. Pour the egg white first. Let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Then pour the yolk on top. Cook for 1 minute. Add salt and pepper. The two other recipes are the rolled omelet and the sunny side up under cover. Decoration: fresh cilantro. Enjoy these tasty eggs. Enjoy this meal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment if you wish.